I got another Labubu. Let's unbox it. This is the exciting macaron. These are the options. This will be my second real Labubu, and yes, I ordered this on TikTok Shop. Oh. And, oh, how cute is this? How cute is this? I'm giving these to my kids, but it's so fun. This is sea salt coconut. Labubu number 2. This is Labubu number 1. This is big into energy. This is the exciting macaron. The fur is a little bit different on each of these. These are legit Labubus. It has the holographic QR code on the outside. It has the QR code on the label. Everything is perfect and wonderful about it. They are legit, so I'm putting these in my showcase, and you can check them out there.